So good day everyone. My name is Kyle Francis Okbinagbon and I will be reporter and my topic is all about the multicultural and global literacy in Module 5. So now we will now discuss about the topic of multicultural and global literacy in Module 5. So consists of skills and ability to identify the creator's knowledge and their interests. So, multicultural is literacy, which means learning about the culture of other groups or other country and study of skills and ability. So, multicultural literacy is studyhan nimo ang uban laing country para sa ilang sariling kultura, beliefs, and religious. So, in a conclusion, kaya ba nato nga mo pasabot og unsa ang nasa atoa or sa other country ng mga religious and values and beliefs. Multicultural literacy bring attention to diversity, equity, and social justice. So, aside sa how to study sa religion na to, no, is ang traditional tribes and groups, people of country. So, nagtudlo sab ni sila sa mga, nagtudlo sab ni para ma-learn na to nga nung lahi ang ilang tradition and religion and values. Then, ang multicultural literacy should help students to develop 21st century skills and attitude. So, ang multicultural literacy no is needed nga ma-teach ang mga 21st century nga mga students to get right attitude and right skills to be active citizen and to help social justice and community. For example, needed dapat nga may balaan sa mga students ang issues and traditions and norms sa atong katilingban. Global literacy aim to address issues of globalization, racism, diversity, and social justice requires awareness and action consistent with broad understanding. So, aside sa multicultural literacy no is makatabang ni siya about to literate of culture and different groups of people and countries. So, ang globally naman is nag-teach as a global issues sa lain-lain bansa. So, ang global literacy no ay isa pud sa gitudluan pud nila ang mga estudyante for make positive and negative actions about specific issues about the world. And last one is how do interconnect multicultural and global literacy. So, first of all no is respect for the different tradition that are believed in. So, naadyo tayo mga respeto sa bawat natungan andan. And then, important is i-acknowledge.